Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sun King on guitar. We'll begin by tackling the fundamental chord progression that defines the song's main verse. You'll want to master the G, C, and D major chords, ensuring your transitions are fluid and precise. Pay close attention to the song's unique rhythm, which is a key element to capturing its iconic feel. Let's get started. Next, let's dive into the beautiful arpeggiated intro and outro riff that gives Sun King its dreamy quality. This part requires precise fingerpicking, so take your time. Aim for a clean guitar tone, perhaps with a touch of reverb, to achieve that ethereal sound. Focus on making each individual note distinct and resonant, building up your speed gradually as you gain confidence. This section truly sets the mood. Moving on, we'll tackle the memorable Here Comes the Sun King section. This part features a slightly different chord progression and a more sustained, almost ethereal feel. Focus on letting the chords ring out, creating a rich, resonant sound. A gentle, flowing strumming technique will help achieve the desired atmosphere. Practice transitioning into and out of this section seamlessly, as it's a pivotal moment in the song's structure and overall mood. You're doing great. Finally, let's talk about achieving that signature Sun King guitar tone and some practice strategies. Aim for a clean, warm amplifier setting, perhaps with a hint of chorus or a subtle delay to add depth. Consistent practice, even for just 15 to 20 minutes daily, will yield significant improvement. Always listen intently to the original recording to internalize the nuances and feel of the song. Enjoy the process of bringing this classic to life on your guitar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.